Looking ready, good afternoon, Golf Echo Charlie Alpha Charlie, request radio check and airfield information, Upton +1, flight to Old Buckenham.
Golf Echo Charlie Alpha Charlie, Earls Colne radio, you're ready to release X 5, it's 24 left hand circuit, the QNH 1030.
So 24 left hand circuit, QNH 1030, Golf Alpha Charlie. Golf Bravo Oscar, Kilo Bravo, ready for departure. Alright.
Yep, let's go.
Yeah.
Roger.
Bit of a faff to begin with, isn't it? I reckon that's camera's still going to be able to still see that. It's going to be so annoying. Golf Alpha Charlie's ready for departure, runway 24. I'm going to have to wait for that go on final.
Roger, service winds line variable.
Roger, have we got an aircraft just turning final now?
Hey Sam, it's Golf Romeo Mike, just turned final 24. Be enough time for you to get off?
Okay, yeah, we'll roll now. Golf Alpha Charlie.
Sierra Papa, clear the action to the north.
Golf Sierra Papa, Roger.
Alright.
Yep, all.
Old Buckenham radio, Golf Echo Romeo November India, request airfield information for flight to Head Corn, 3 POB.
Okay, 2 speeds are in the green.
Romeo November India, Roger.
Airspeed is now alive.
Left hand circuit, QNH 1030.
24 left hand circuit,
60 knots.
1030, Golf November India.
You'll see what I mean. Well, actually, bloody hell,
Romeo Mike, short final.
it looks a little bit clearer actually now.
Yeah, that's it. I can still see the haze.
Yeah.
Romeo Mike, Roger.
I think we're doing a little bit better than that little
500
guide.
feet? Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, we're already at 500 feet considering the weight of the two of us.
Yeah, that's it. What a beautiful day.
Yeah, stunning, isn't it?
No, it'd be awesome if we could fly at this height everywhere, because you could see
So much, yeah. Okay, clear right, clear
Golf
left.
Romeo Mike, vacated.
Okay, 1,000 feet, fuel pump off. We have pressure. There you go, so we'll stay reasonably low, which is 2,300 feet, which is alright. 165.
Watch some traffic, Golf India Charlie Uniform Tango, now departing from 22 Monaghan for return flight back to Elmslie.
Watch some traffic, Golf Echo Charlie Alpha Charlie, Robin 200, Earls Colne to Old Buckenham, via Equworth House and Rotham, currently 2,200 feet, 1030, south abeam of Sudbury. One, 2, 8, 9.
Got one rare search terrain for exchange purpose.
Shadow 1, recommend.
Lake and Eco Radar, good afternoon, Golf Echo Charlie Alpha Charlie, request basic service.
Alpha Charlie, Lake and E20, let's go 0453.
0453, you have Golf Echo Charlie Alpha Charlie, Earls Colne to Old Buckenham via Equworth House and Rotham Airfield, currently 2,300 feet, 1030 for basic service.
Golf Alpha Charlie, radar contact by mile southwest of Barry. Basic service commence penetration first.
Basic service, Golf Alpha Charlie.
Golf India Sierra, Lake and E20, let's go 0456.
Golf India Sierra, squawk 0456. He's so annoyed to be working at a weekend.
Sorry.
The American sounds so annoyed to be working at a weekend, doesn't he? Either that or just having to deal with the English.
Or just general how they are.
I don't think we sound that bad. I don't think we're that bad.
I said I know you're going to hang
Charlie,
on
you're
this
clear my
phone.
map to the east, radar service terminates clock 7.
southbound and we're free call Old Buckenham 124405, thank you. Buckingham Radio, good afternoon, Golf Echo Charlie, Alpha Charlie, with you 2,200 feet 1030, east of beam, Hollington currently. So read joining information please.
Golf Alpha Charlie, Buckingham Radio, good afternoon, runway in use 25, right hand circuit, QFE 1024, and there is no known traffic in the circuit this time.
That's 25, right hand circuit, QFE 1024, and copy, no traffic. Golf Alpha Charlie.
Go, brake shift, compression, undercarriage down the fix, mixture's rich. Fuel is sufficient, we're on a half tank, fuel pressure is good.
Golf Alpha Charlie's downwind 45.
Golf Alpha Charlie, roger.
First stage of flat coming down.
Golf Alpha Charlie's finals 25.
Golf Alpha Charlie, roger, surface wind 270 degrees, 5 knots.
Golf Alpha Charlie.
The scariest runway I think I've ever seen. Yeah, just watch out for that house and the the kids playing in the
Yeah,
car.
so all I need to do is line up with the barn.
Exactly.
Aim for that, and then you'll be fine.
Yeah, just don't catch the wheels on the barn.
It was certainly an experience anyway.
Yeah, that's it. Dodge the pothole as well,
Yeah. Yeah, got under water about
little pond. Nice.
That wasn't too bad, is it?
I'll take that.
I think we're gonna have to run. We're gonna have to backtrack, but oh well.
What happens when you got a quick plane, mate? Well.
Golf Alpha Charlie's backtracking.
Golf Alpha Charlie, Rogers, nothing to affect.
Old Buckenham Radio, Golf Lima Foxtrot Sierra Charlie.
Golf Sierra Charlie, Buckingham Radio, pass the message.
Golf Sierra Charlie, currently south of Snetterton and inbound to your location.
Golf Sierra Charlie, roger, runway needs 25, right hand circuit, QFE 1024, traffic in the circuit.
That's 25, right hand circuit, QFE 1024, Golf Sierra Charlie. Golf Alpha Charlie from runway vacated, where would you like us to park?
Golf Alpha Charlie, if you just come straight ahead and park in front of the clubhouse, you can have a cup of tea if you want.
Sounds absolutely perfect, thank you very much, Golf Alpha Charlie.
What a cool little place.
Yeah.
Would be cool if the museum is open.
Yeah.
If we've got time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 4:15.
Is it?
Yeah.
I know that sunset is at 6 though, so we have got plenty of time.
Just watch them when we leave. Yeah.
We'll be going